Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a confirmation before you start streaming on OBS, or maybe even recording if you want to go ahead and add this. So this will prevent you by accidentally starting streaming. So you can see start record and start streaming are very close together, and you can accidentally hit one or the other. So we want to go up to File and go to Settings, and then open this up. Then we can scroll on down under General and go to Output. And check mark right here. Show confirmation dialog when start streaming. Show confirmation dialog when stop recording, etc. So we have this option right here. So you probably just want to check mark the first one right here. And then you should be good to go. So it's very easy to do, and that will prevent you from accidentally streaming. So we can go to OK and go to start streaming. And it just pops up this little yes or no box. Are you sure you want to start streaming? No, I accidentally meant to hit record. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. More tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.